to put in the bobbin into the bobbin casing, you're going to place the bobbin that's already been wound over the pin there, and then you're going to slide your thread into that little cutout there, like that, and then under the plate. And then you'll hear a little click, like that. I'm going to do it again. Slide the thread into the cutout there, slide it under the metal plate, and here, click. Okay, now you're going to hold it by this little lever, like so. I always take my index finger and hold it, and then stabilize with my thumb and my third finger. And then I'm going to put it so that this little arm goes exactly in the little gap there, and the center goes obviously over the pin there. And then all you do is you just let it go once it's all the way in. And in order to bring up the thread, I'm going to hold the top thread with my left hand, turn the thread uptake lever to go down. There's fetching it. And when the thread uptake lever is in the maximum height again, you'll see if I pull on the top thread, there's my loop of my bottom thread. That's how we bring up the thread.